I had completed my graduation in BSc General. I am completely from a non-IT background. I don't know much about computers, but here I am learning Python in VCUBE Institute. My tutor was Srinivas sir. He is good at Python and he is teaching everything he has known to every student with a friendly manner. And he is explaining real-time scenarios.
Hi, my name is Viswanadhini Lakshmi Harshita. I am from Nellore. I had completed my graduation in 2021 in the stream of BSc Computer Science, and my cousin referred to join here Python course in VCUBE Software Solutions. I had joined for Python in VCUBE Software Solutions, and I had got placed in top MNCs like Cognizant and Mindtree with the help of Srinivas sir, and Srinivas sir shared his valuable knowledge and skills to me. With the support of Srinivas sir, I had cracked so many interviews, and with the help of VCUBE Software Solutions and motivation, I had placed in so many topmost MNC companies. I am very thankful to Srinivas sir and VCUBE Software Solutions to sharing of their valuable knowledge and skills to me, and I had cracked so many interviews with confident levels, with confident, and very thankful to VCUBE Software Solutions and Srinivas sir. Thank you very much.